Hello friends, welcome back on the RC channel. Today we are going to discuss the trick of the solving consignment question into the CMA examination. But before starting this video, please watch our previous video in which we discussed the trick of the solving bill of exchange question into CMA examination. Because trick we discuss in today's question are basically depend on such trick. If you understand the trick of the bill of exchange, now you are able to understand the trick of consignment also. So guys, one thing also do, if you don't watch our theoretical aspect of the consignment, please watch that video also, because if you don't know the theoretical concept of the consignment, then you are unable to solve the MCQ question into CMA examination or any theoretical question asked on the consignment chapter. So to watch that video, press on bell icon, or you can also watch that video by clicking link given into description box. So guys, for understanding the trick of the consignment, please download the question provided into description box. Go on that link, download the question and then watch the video, because without question of the consignment you are unable to understand the trick of such question. And guys, if you have any question or any conceptual doubt regarding a paper number 5 or paper number 12, please comment into comment section, so that we can try to provide the lectures on that part also. And you can also join us personally on the Telegram channel. To join our Telegram channel, please message us on the number given into description box. Without wasting the too much time, now we are going to discuss the trick of the solving consignment question into CMA examination. So guys, I hope you download the notes and we proceed to the practical question. So guys, in question it is given that Mr. Raj consigned goods of the costing rupees 2,50,000 to Mr. Pawan of the Mumbai by addition 20% on the cost. So this is the goods sent on the consignment on invoice price. So guys, in this case we simply draw the timeline between the two parties, that is, one is Raj and another is Pawan. So Raj consigned goods to whom? Pawan, as per our question. Cost of such goods is 2,50,000 and invoice price of such goods is 2,50,000 plus 20%, that is 3 lakh rupees. So this is our basically first information given into the question. So next is, so guys, in this trick basically we present the information of the question into diagramical way, so that we can easily understand which entries are come into the book of consigner and which entry are come into the book of consigning. So we don't have any confusion regarding the entries. Next information given into the question as below. During the transit, 10% goods were destroyed by fire and sum of 20,000 realized from the insurance company. So this information we can present in our diagram as following way. So Raj, who is a consigner, and Pawan, who is a consignee, in transit 10% goods were lost by, this is our abnormal loss. So 10% of 2,50,000. How much? 25,000, and 20,000 were admitted by insurance company. All information you need to draw in this diagram. Admitted by insurance company. So this is our second information which we represent into diagramical way. Next, while sending goods by Mr. Raj to Pawan, he is paid following expenses, which is 7,500 for the freight and 3,600 for the insurance. So this can be we represent as below. Raj, Pawan. So expenses incurred by Raj. So we write from Raj side or under the Raj. Freight, how much? 7,500. Insurance, How much? 3600. So this is the third information which we represent by way of the diagram. So guys, next information is given that on arrival of the goods, Mr. Pawan paid following expenses: 1800 on loading and unloading charges, 7800 on godown rent, 700 on corporation taxes, 2500 on the selling expenses, and 2800 on selling commission. So all this information we represent into diagramical way as below. And on screen you see that how we represent that information into the our rough working or into our trick of the solving question into examination. So this expenses incur by Pawan. So we incur all expenses here: 1800 loading and unloading. Next is 7800 is go down rent. 700 as a corporation tax. 2500 on selling expenses and 2800 on selling commission. This is the selling commission. So lastly, it is said that Mr. Pawan sold goods of the 90% of the remaining goods at the 2,59,600 rupees, and he charged the commission 7% on such sale. So this is the information and this is the act done by the Pawan. So here Raj and here Pawan. So which sold goods? Arrow is on our left hand side, because here act done by Raj, act done by Raj, and act done by Raj. And in this line or in this information, act done by Pawan. So here, so in about three step, act done by the Raj, act done by the Raj, act done by the Raj, and expenses incurred by Pawan. So Pawan sold the goods. Sold how many goods? 90%. And at which price? 2,59,600. And he get commission at rupees 7%. So this is the information and this is the presentation of our working, and you can use this trick to solve the question into CMA examination. So from this diagram or from this trick or from this working, you get the journal entries and flow of the journal entries in the book of the consignor, consignor and consignee. So this is our presentation, and from this diagram you will get the entries of the goods sent on consignment, next abnormal loss, next expenses incurred by the consignor, next expenses incurred by the consignee, and commission of the consignee. And from this you are never miss any entry into the journal entry format or into the accounting of the any form. So guys, please follow this technique, it will helpful into your errorless solving question. And guys, from this diagram I give you a guarantee that you will never miss any content of the ledger. So guys, I hope you understand that the importance of this working into our CMA examination or into our solving of the question of the consignment. Now I request you that please apply this trick into all your question which you all already solve, and please comment me into comment section after using this trick. If you like this trick, please comment into comment section, or if you feel that after following this trick or after following this working you will easily understand the scenario of the question and you are easily able to solve the question, comment in this regard. And also guys, share this video with your friends so they can also get benefit from this. So guys, thank you for the watching video.